Hi, everybody. Will here with this week's top 10 list in my hand, brought to us from the home office in Copaconk, Ontario. The top 10 reasons to love showing in the rain. Number 10, minimal grooming. Well, that's just not true. We still all groomed our dogs. They just got wet. But yeah, I understand that for some people. Sure. Number 9, it breaks the heat. That's true. Number 8, get to wear rain gear. Nothing like squeaking along when you're trying to walk in the rain. Okay. Number 7, most dogs love it. Most, not all. There's some dogs that, they like to tiptoe in the rain. Number 6, test the quality of your Easy Up. Yeah, mine had tape all over it, Gorilla Tape. Number 5, lets us use our Pro Plan umbrellas. That's true. Number 4, always that chance for sliding in the mud. Yeah, I did that a lot. Number 3, keeps the tow truck companies in business. Oh my God, there was some wine countries where that truck was busy all the time. Number 2, makes for a fun pack-up day. And the number 1 reason to love showing in the rain? Because there's nothing like the smell of wet dogs in your truck. All right, Doc. Do what you do best.
Ow!